While I'm at it, I'm already in this palette. I'm gonna take Mistress, which is the blush. Ooh. Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I did want to do something bright, bold, beautiful for you guys. I picked up the Makeup Revolution palette. I mean, you cannot go wrong with the shadows that are in this palette. This palette is all matte. You guys will notice I am wearing colored contacts. I did collab with Iris Beauty to achieve these beautiful eyes. Oh my goodness, let me not be rude. Hello, my name is Natashia. If you guys want to hear more about Iris Beauty contacts and how I achieved this beautiful, bold, bright look for you guys, please keep watching. Let's go ahead and get this party started right. I told you guys in my previous video that I want you all to know, everyone that has brown eyes out there, your eyes are beautiful. But I did want to switch up my look, and guess who collabed with me in this video? Iris Beauty did reach out to me and they sent me some contact lenses. Now, one thing about me, I still want my eyes to look pretty natural. So I did pick up the contact lenses in the color Adore Brown. And once I tried them on, I'm like, these are super comfortable. So this is what the packaging looks like. Black and gold, super sleek. I love it. So this is how everything comes. So you do get a case for your contact lenses, which is great. And then also too, on the packaging, it does tell you these are the essentials. And then of course you have your prescription here as well. I do have a coupon code for you guys. If you use Natashia15, you will definitely get 15% off. Like I said, sometimes you just want to look different. And if I'm not going to change my hair, I can go ahead and change my eyes. Remember, party people, just wash your hands before you do anything with your eyes. Your eyes are so precious. They actually almost look clear. Leave a comment down below if you're afraid to put contact lenses in. This is my brown eyes, and this is Adore Brown. First time's the charm, baby. I'm gonna take my Yes To. This is the Mistified Moisturizer. I'm gonna spray this on my face first. Of course, you always need to shake this bad boy up and just lightly spray it on your face. The smell of coconut is just too much for my little heart. It smells so good. The next product from Yes To, I'm using my Soufflé Moisturizer. Smells just like the spray. Last, I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild. This is the matte face primer. We're gonna make sure everything stays matte all day. I dropped it. Focusing this primer on my T-zone. To start the eyes first, since I'm gonna be working with such bold colors, I need to prime my eyes. I'm gonna use my Infallible Full Wear Concealer. I love this stuff. I feel like I can't get enough of it. And like I said, I love the brush. I wanna say they kinda got these brushes from Tarte because Tarte was the first person to do these. Well, let me not say that because y'all gonna kill me in the comments like, no, actually, such and such did this first. Doing the same to the other side. So you guys know how I love Makeup Revolution. I did pick up the Marvellous Matte Palette. Let me just give this palette a moment of silence. There are 15 shades in this palette and they are all matte. So if you're looking for an all matte palette with these beautiful shades, I'm not gonna say these are everyday shades, but just something colorful that you wanna work with, $7, okay? You cannot go wrong. Don't forget, this palette does have numbers on the back. That is how you're able to identify the shades. The first shade I'm gonna pick up is number 3. It is right here. This beautiful bright orange shade. Look at that. Ooh, and it's picking up a lot. And I'm just using my Essence eye blender brush. I told you guys that these brushes are fire. And it's like $1.99. So we're just using windshield wiper motion. I'm gonna go back into that same shade, number 3. I'm going to pick up this beautiful pink shade, which is number 14. I just want to make sure that there's no harsh lines above the orange. Let's go ahead and do the burnt orange, which is number 5. Ooh. And just to give this an extra pop of color, I'm gonna take my Revolution. This is the Strobe highlight. This is in the shade Gold Addict. I'm gonna pick up this yellow that is right here. That's number 4. It's a little bit lighter than the burnt orange shade. Now that we have that yellow shade down first, I'm gonna do the same to the other side, number 4. This beautiful green shade, which is number 8. We're gonna set that right next to the yellow. And just to make sure everything's blending, I'm just taking a fluffy brush from Morphe and I'm gonna go ahead and blend everything out. I'm not gonna blend too hard because I don't wanna lose the color. This is number 2 right here. I'm gonna take my LA Girls. This is my Pro Concealer, and I'm gonna place this on my lid. Using that concealer is definitely huge for this look. I'm gonna go back in and do the same to the other side. Let's move on to eyeliner. I am going to do a lot with my eyes today, so I'm gonna take my Essence Super Last Deep Black Eyeliner. You must shake the product up. Eyeliner looking flawless. This look is finally coming together. I was getting a little nervous as I was applying the eyeshadow. I was like, wait a minute. Let's put some good old mascara on our lashes because we need something to blend out our Ardell lashes. We already know I use L'Oreal. Oh, one thing I forgot about that eyeliner, it dries super quick, so my lashes dry with it. Oh, heck no. Moving on to my black wispy lashes. I mentioned to you guys, Ardell lashes are really good for beginners, especially when you're bringing it back to the basics. And I'm using the Duo Glue, which I got in the same package. I think I did have to cut these lashes. Hold please. You already know the routine. I have to take my mascara to blend in my falsies with my real lashes. I look so different with eyeliner. I'm like in shock right now. I haven't worn eyeliner in a minute. Now that my eyes are pretty much done for now, we're gonna move on to foundation. I'm gonna use my L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour foundation. If you guys have not tried this, you really need to test it out. And this beauty sponge did come from e.l.f. I purchased a lot of these. They're super cheap and they work really well. This is the 24-hour, okay, it's not. This is the concealer that goes with the foundation. And I'm not gonna go too crazy with this concealer because it is a little light for me. This is the 413 brush from Real Techniques, and I'm going to blend out the concealer under my eyes. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, I'm gonna use the shade Mahogany. This is one of my favorite shades to contour with as a cream contour. And lately, I've only been doing my nose. I'm gonna take my 206, this is a Real Techniques brush, it is the contour brush, and then I'm gonna throw it back on you guys. I'm gonna take my pressed powders, this is from Femme Rosa ColourPop when they teamed up with Karrueche. I'm gonna just grab the bronzer shade, this is Dame. Going back into that bronzer. While I'm at it, I'm already in this palette. I'm gonna take Mistress, which is the blush. Ooh, for Karrueche, Chris Brown just will not let her live. He is truly obsessed. Public service announcement, treat your significant other right and then you won't have this issue. Contour, blush is complete. We're on to setting powder. This is from Too Faced. This is the Born This Way setting powder in this shade, I wanna say medium. I'm taking my house to make sure my contour is sharp. You guys know how I feel about math. I'm gonna pick up just a little bit more of this powder. This is a Real Techniques beauty blender, but I'm using this for powder, so of course I never use it for foundation again. Let me just take a little bit of this powder to do my forehead. I'm not gonna let my contour bake for too long, so this is a Real Techniques. This is the Expert Face Brush. I'm gonna buff this into my skin. So NYX comes out with some bomb liquid eyeliners. I love them. I did get this in the shade Vivid Envy. Let me just show you guys a close-up of this. And we're gonna place this eyeliner in our lower lash line. Now, be very careful. Like I said, I do have contact lenses in and we're gonna move one eye at a time. Now, they do make pencils with these colors. The only problem is they're always sold out. Let me be honest with you guys, this did dry super fast. The last and final eyeshadow shade that I'm going to use for my lower lash line, it's not gonna be anything bright. I'm going to take this black shade, which is number 11. Let's put some mascara on these lower lashes. Eyes look amazing. Let's wipe off this setting powder. This is Gold Addict, what I used in my tear duct. I'm actually gonna spray my face really quick just so the highlight really picks up. Now, since this look is super bold, and it's gonna be very bold for some people, I do wanna keep my lips nude and matte. So let's go ahead and get this party started. I'm gonna take my NYX, this is in the shade Brown. I'm gonna take my Smooth Matte by NYX. This is in the shade London. Last, I'm gonna spray my face with some setting spray. Once again, this is from L'Oreal. And you already know this is the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I just want to thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to watch my videos. There are millions of videos here on YouTube, but you keep coming back to my channel, and you guys definitely know I appreciate it. Iris Beauty, thank you so much for sending me these contact lenses. They are very comfortable, very beautiful. They look very natural on me, so I am obsessed. Remember, all information will be linked down in the description if you want to check Iris Beauty out. Until my next video, you guys know I miss you, and we're only focusing on good vibes. Until then, peace.